Hello, my name is Mana Maria Perez Cubilles. I am 20 years old and I am from Thessalia. As experience, I have 1 year in the Jollies department. Knowledge and daily capable inventory and quality manager. I am a technical in Osmani of industrial equipment and Mayan of agro-industrial equipment and I am currently working in a group with a team to explore what is quality. My strengths lie in my ability to understand the intent of a project, materialize and organize and follow a well-developed protection plan. My weaknesses might be that I can be a little impatient with people. I do not meet their sometimes. Although I am learning time, I get the better results by being discreet and persistent. When asking questions, rather than remains. I am for like they should hire me because of his previous experience. My problem solving attitude and people skills can make a difference. I am motivated, disciplined, on a focus, and I am willing to work till I start get the home done. I am well-rounded individual with a combination of skills. Pure training and work experience had allowed me to take on a complete project and assignment of green in person and screen difficult on a time and under budget. And now I want to be part of your team to comprehend the future the bond of the company. I want to work with because I did my research of what it's like to work and you just look at me and found great things about everything like corporate culture, are the better opportunities and he the work-life balance improvise. Thank you very much for your attention.